now going to tell you that BJP is now the single largest party in Bihar. That is the big takeaway of this election. Let's also look at the other big takeaways. Major gains for the JDU from 2020. That has become a reality. So both engines have powered. Congress in single digits hurts MGB. The Mahagathbandhan has been hurt by the Congress. It's at single digit. संजय झा देख लीजिए, होमवर्क यहां शुरू होता है. LJB, HAM, double engine powers NDA. Every constituent has performed stupendously. Mahagathbandhan underperforms in Simachal, which was the area where they expected to pick up. The Ghuspatia effect is there. The Ghuspatia narrative is there, and clearly Janta has picked it up. AIMIM has eaten into the Mahagathbandhan votes once again. I don't know how many seats, if we can look at AI. No seats?
No seat as of now, no.
Well, but they have eaten into the votes. Mahagathbandhan is friendly fights. All seats, NDA is ahead on them. Well, they've hurt themselves. NDA dominates in the Muslim seats. That is the Muslim cluster. It is unbelievable. Prashant Kishore's Jan Suraj, non-starter on its own, but decimates the chances of the Mahagathbandhan. And PK may not have got a seat, but he has killed the opposition narrative, and BJP is the single largest party. That is the takeaway at this moment.
Neck out. It may not happen tomorrow. It will happen. BJP will lead this government. They'll break the JDU. चिराग इज देख मैंने बोल दिया बस.
अभी तक तो तारिक अनवर इज नॉट विलिंग टू कांग्रेचुलेट द बीजेपी. आपने बीजेपी और जेडीयू तोड़ने की बातें शुरू कर दी. स्मिता प्रकाश,
I just want to come to this point that whoever is the single largest party doesn't mean that they will form government. You know, at one point of time, Tejasvi was the largest party. He didn't form the government. It doesn't matter. NDA will not break up, and they will not make anybody other than Nitish as the chief minister, because even
it is a strong performance by Nitish. So Nitish is chief minister. I will say only one thing at the moment. Smita Prakash, you will understand it better. Madhav is here. He will understand this better. No hung house. Nobody, no suspense on chief minister. Weekend safe for journalists. अगर hung house होता है,
I am sticking my neck out. If this number, let me finish, Smita. I also have some experience. If this number remains, we have seen what happened in Maharashtra. Why should they, Nitish? They only are saying he is not in good health.
Sabha, I agree in the realm of possibilities. That is an option that can happen. Having said that, it is not happening anytime soon.
They have not said here.
It will not happen anytime soon.
No, I am surprised they are not saying it will be Nitish Kumar and RJD, because there also the numbers match up. So I am surprised.
I said that in the morning.
Nitish Kumar and Mahagathbandhan together is still not making it. My mathematics is not that good, but I think it's not making it.
No, it makes it. It makes it.
No, but you
So you have your Jungle Raj option open. Kidnap karo Nitish ko और उसके MLAs को ले जाओ. That is the only option available. JVC.
This is the way they respect the mandate. Vote chori. They talk about vote chori, but take people for granted. And what do? People are given a mandate of this kind, and you say Mahagathbandhan and JDU would come together and form the government. Now,
yeah, JVC, calm down. Yeah.
JVC, one thing.
JVC.
No, one second. Let me add one more thing.
All right, I'm going across to our political guests at this moment. There is joining us this afternoon Pradeep Bhandari of the BJP, Subodh Mehta of the RJD, and also joining us is Sanjay Kumar of the JDU. Number one, congratulations to Sanjay Kumar, Pradeep Bhandari, the BJP and the JDU. I don't see. Can we just have some silence in the studio, please? I need to speak to the political guest. Pradeep Bhandari, were you expecting this kind of a landslide, or is this the Election Commission's contribution to your kitty, as the Congress is calling it?
Well, the Congress party can say anything, Navika ji. This is a huge pro-incumbency vote for Prime Minister Narendra Modi. In fact, the Honorable Prime Minister in one of his rallies when he was addressing in Bihar had said that it will be one of the most historic mandates that the NDA has ever seen. So anybody who was on the ground would understand that it was a pure pro-incumbency election. Look at this. Lot of analysts were saying kaate ki takkar hogi because they were not on the ground. Anybody who was genuinely on the ground understood that the entire MY, which is the Mahila and the youth, were with Prime Minister Narendra Modi and Chief Minister Nitish Kumar. Look at this. Bihar is 89% rural, which also is a big stamp because Rahul Gandhi and the entire Congress party used to spread the narrative ki bhai garib Modi ke saath mein nahi hai. Again, the poor of this country has proven that the poor trust Prime Minister Narendra Modi for welfare, for good governance, for credibility of governance. Generally, analysts used to say, Navika ji, you have been a very, very senior journalist. We all respect you so much. You've seen so many elections that bhai anti-incumbency ho jayegi, koi sarkar mein rahega. Prime Minister Narendra Modi across states, whether it is Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh or Bihar, has changed that. Pro-incumbency has become a trend for the incumbent against Prime Minister Narendra Modi, and anti-incumbency has become a trend in the opposition under Rahul Gandhi, which means today people see Rahul Gandhi's opposition as a completely discredited opposition and governance being voted, which has not happened since Indian polity. 1952 had men vote more than women vote. This is the most gender inclusive election also, so you cannot say that the women did not vote. Women in fact decided the verdict and they have been doing so. The opposition can blame the election commission, Supreme Court, which is fine, but zero recounting happened in Bihar for the first time in Bihar elections, which tells you that the BLAs of all parties and the candidates of the all parties and the voters supported and believed in the entire electoral process. And I can tell you, and you will say, Navika ji, they will not go to the court because they know that they have genuinely lost the election. They had no narrative on the ground, and then Tejasvi himself is struggling to win his own seat. It can tell you how massive this wave was. Maharashtra was also massive. Bihar has proven that 2024 Prime Minister Narendra Modi is stronger.
Big news at this time. Tejasvi Yadav trailing by more than 3,000 votes at this point in Raghopur. Tejasvi is trailing Subodh Mehta. That is the shock coming for the RJD. Your MY formula goes for a toss. It's been converted into Mahila and Yuva by the BJP. The minority clusters go to the BJP. The rural cluster goes to the BJP. The Yadav cluster, BJP has the lead. Subodh Mehta, to what do you explain this stupendous performance of the BJP and total rout of the Mahagathbandhan?
Navika, Tejasvi Yadav is trailing as per your, the screen is showing. Hopefully, you know, in after 1 or 2 rounds, he will be leading the this thing.
Sure, we will report that as well.
Okay, but looking to the larger fact of what you know, the BJP spokesperson was telling about, you know, it's not a narrative that he is building now. Okay, the narrative has already been built before the election with the coming of the SIR. You all already know that we objected to the SIR and we tried our level best not to impose the SIR just before the election, and we did it very handsomely. That is the reason why the people also came out, you know, in large numbers. But moreover, when you look to the, you know, our vote banks, the deletion of the number of the people from our side was more than the inclusion that they did, and that was the whole game plan of their, you know, the election process. Now coming to the developmental plank, as if the Bihar has, you know, has become very good within a overnight after looking to the trends. I don't think so. When you look to the Bihar in last 20 years, you know, they have not done justice to the Bihar. All the parameters of Niti Aayog, and which is led by the Prime Minister himself.
जनता को ये समझ में नहीं आ रहा है सुबोध मेहता जी, खाली आपको समझ आ रहा है क्या?
अरे एक इलेक्शन जीतने से जनता समझ,
एक इलेक्शन, पांचवा इलेक्शन है, यही तो दिक्कत है। 2005, 2010, 2015, 2020, 2025 एक इलेक्शन नहीं है। रिकॉर्ड 5 इलेक्शंस वन बाय नीतीश कुमार।